So here's the big bad boy F350, 350 horse Yamaha 5.3 V8. This thing is huge. There's no longer an oil drain on the right side like the F225. The oil drain is now located on the left side of the motor, right down here. There's a plastic that's right here that needs to come off first, and then you can take this plastic off here. The right side doesn't need to come off, but I pulled it off because I was looking for the oil drain, which is where the F225 is on this side. Anyway, so we're going to pop that guy out and drain the oil. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out, and I'm going to use a bucket in this case because it generally comes flying out of here pretty fast. And an oil drain just isn't going to catch it all. There's 8 liters. It's not a bad color, but that's only 10 hours. The recommended change is 20 hours. It's a lot of oil. So we'll let that drain for a bit until it's all out of there, and we'll plug that back up and start refilling oil. The F225 had the oil filter basically right here in the front of the motor. This one is now in the middle of the motor, and it's basically, I don't know if you can see in there, it's right where my finger is, so you're gonna have to need some kind of contortionist slash robot or rat to get in there. It looks like the whole ECU here has to come off so that you can get to the bloody oil filter. Luckily the oil filter says first change in 100 hours, which is kind of odd, but anyway, we're gonna leave it in there for now because it doesn't need changing. So we're gonna be using Mobil 1 1030 synthetic. And it's 7.8 liters. So basically 1 2/3 of these containers, which are 4.4 liters. And then once we get the oil in there, we'll fire it up on the garden hose for a second. Check the levels. There's one. Alright, we're going to pull the dipstick out here and check the oil level. And we're right at the top of the full, just under. So we haven't fired up the motor yet, so it should be fine once we fire it up. Excellent. Alright, we'll fire up the water. Alright.